Hello, welcome back once again. Now we are going to continue with the tutorials. Okay, so now, as I said earlier, we are going to add the template so that it will look something like this. Let me go to CloudHost so that it will look, let me go to the dashboard or client area so that we have something like this. I hope you are with me. Yes, very beautiful like this. So that's what we are going to add. So to do that, as you can see, I'm on my dashboard and I'm going to show you where you can download the template. Okay, so first log into your account, your reseller account. Okay, now you can see reseller here. I will click manage. Okay, so I'm here. This time you're not going to control panel. No, we are going to downloads and we can see this template here. Okay, you're going to download this template. Okay, so I will click download and it's ongoing. The size is 17.8 megabytes. So let's wait, it will finish very soon. Okay, good, it is done. Let me go to my downloads. Let's come back here and this is the template. Okay, so I will drag it. Where is the royal good? I have the folder here, so I will drag it and put it inside this folder. Okay, this folder is already in, so this is the template that we are going to use. So first I will right click that and extract here. Okay, so after doing that, now we have two folder here. Okay, that is modules and templates. Okay, good. So let's go to modules and let's see. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to install, don't worry. So you go to first, let's go to template, and here we can see this and then the other four. I'm going to explain that. Okay, so let's come back here. Now we are done here. I can close this. Let's go back to here too. Okay, so we are here. And what is this? Let me close this for now so that we have only, and I can also close that so we have only the two. So this is your server, your reseller server. Okay, good. Now let me click on the logo. Okay, good. After doing that, let's go to file manager here. We want to access the file manager. So let's go to file manager. And here the installation is on the main domain, so it's inside public underscore HTML. Okay, so let me click on that. It has opened, so the installation is here. So this is the template, so we will click the template. Good. So you see, when we went to the dashboard here under settings, let me go back. So under settings, let me go to settings, general settings here, and here we can see that we have 6 and 2021. Good. Let me come back here. We have the 6 and the 2021. You see, so this is where we are going to add our template. Okay, our WHMCS premium template. So let me come back to the folder. So we will go inside the template folder and we have this. Okay, this one. We are not going to use the other form. Just select this one. We will zip this one. Okay, everything is inside. We are not going to open it, so just zip this. So just right click that and go to send to compress. If you are using Windows, click that and you see it will compress it for you like this. Good. So now it is done. Let me close it, make it small. So here, this is what we are going to do. You will click here, upload. Then you will then open the folder. We will drag it and drop it here. So let's wait. It's ongoing. I hope you can see that. Okay, so it's successful. We will close that And after that, as usual, you will then click here to decompress. Click that. You see, it has been added. So we will delete this. We don't need it. We don't need it anymore. Okay, so check that and click delete. Good. So after that, you see, we have the order form inside the template. So we will open this order form. Okay. So double click to open it. And inside we have so many order form here, about 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we can also see that here. Let's go to order form here, and all this is here. Here. Hope you can see that. That's the order form. Now let's come back here. So we are going to import. Let's open our folder again, and here the order form. Let's open it, and we have this inside. So let us unzip this to send to zip. Okay, so let me drag it here. Now let's go to upload. Then we will select the order form, drag this and drop it inside, and it is done. Let me close it. Let me decompress it. Okay, good. After that, I will then come here and delete it. Check that and delete it because it has been added already here. So we are done with the what do you call it? That is the template. Okay. Now let's come back to the folder. Let's go back. So now we have already added a template. Now love it. This, which is very, very important. So let me click here, open this, and inside we have this. So just right click that, and that too, we will zip it. So do that as usual. Okay, good. It is done. Let me minimize that. Now we will go inside the public underscore again. This time we won't open the template. We will go to modules. Then we will go inside the Adams. So we are going to add it here. Okay. So we go to upload. Then over here, let me select that, drag it and drop it inside here. Okay, good. So I will close that, and here I will click. Let me see. Okay, so decompress it, and it's successful. I hope you can see that. After that, I will come here and delete that. Check this and click delete to delete it. So far so good. We are done here. Okay, so I can decide to close this. Okay, good. This is what we are going to do. Okay, so let's go back to inside the WHMCS. Okay, we can decide to click on the logo here just to refresh it. Okay, good. Now what do? Let's go to yeah, we can see it here. Let's come back here, go to system settings, and here you will enter Adams. Okay, so we will go for this one. Okay, now inside you can see the there is a template, the name of the template. So we can click activate. See, it has been activated. Now after that, just click here. Okay, good. So you can select those that you want to. You can select check all of them. Okay, but the most important is you have to select the full administrator. Okay, all these are not other important. I can just save that. Good, and it has been saved. After that, I can just go back to the dashboard. Now when you click here, then you see it here. Click on that. You see it has opened. So we are going to do some basic settings here. Okay, good. So after that, we will click manage here, and it will open. Don't worry. Okay, so it has opened. Now we don't have the license key. You need the license key in order to activate it. If I click activate, it may not work for us. Okay, it has been activated, but let's see if it will work for us. So cloudhost.online, enter. I hope you can see something different. See, we are now going to customize it. Don't worry. Yes, see, it's now looking beautiful. Okay, yeah, we are going to customize it. It will look more beautiful than this one. So let's come back here again. Let's continue from here. But we are going to activate it. Okay, so just enter this. Now follow. Okay, NUFLFORUM. Okay, yes, in small letters. Then you click activate. Good. See, the license has been activated successfully. Okay, and it's successful. Good. Now we'll be able to access all the features that we need because it has been activated. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. You can go to settings. Okay, so far so good. We have already spent about 11 minutes. So all that I wanted to say is thank you for watching our next video. We will continue with the settings and everything that you need in order to have something beautiful like mine. Okay, very, very beautiful. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.